Hi, thanks for watching this video. In this video, we will see how we can install Ramanujan on our local machine and we can execute code on our device itself. So there is an installation file given in the README and on the GitHub page of the project. So I do have the installation file with me, which is install ramanujan.sh. So um, I'll run this install Ramanujan.sh. Now what happens is that it needs a workspace, and what it does for the workspace is that whatever binaries we want to use for running the code, that gets saved into these workspaces. So I'll give um, I'll give this path as my workspace. Yeah, so it's getting the jar from the GitHub release page, and once that is done, it will make certain changes on to the bash profile or the relevant file on Mac OS. The description about the changes given in the README. So yeah, it's saved and changes are made onto the ZSHRC file. This is Mac OS, and we would need to run the source command on that. So I'll just run it. Now, there is an algorithm called as weight optimization algorithm. That's a state of the art and one of the famous algorithm in swarm optimization. This is the exact code written by the original author in Matlab. I have translated the whole code in Ramanujan language and I'll be running this. So I'll just do RJ and the name of the file, and the code is run. The one thing that I want to show you is that it took almost 2.5 seconds to run the whole code, and in this uh, we are optimizing 10 functions, and in comparison to that, on the similar code in MATLAB, it took about 55 seconds. So 2.5 seconds on Ramanujan language and 55 seconds on MATLAB, and the results are pretty same. Take this F5, so it will become F4, best F4. Yeah, it almost got similar. So the one important thing I wanted to show is the comparison in the execution time. The code is same. There is no parallelization in this run of the code, and we can see that it's 55 seconds versus 2.5 seconds. And this way we can using this installation file, we can install the Ramanujan console on our machines, and we can start developing Ramanujan code. Thanks a lot for your time. Right now this works with Mac OS and Ubuntu. For Windows, I'll be releasing the binary soon and the relevant installation file as well. Thank you so much for your time, and happy coding in Ramanujan.